Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain about some special types of matrices. They are symmetric, skew-symmetric, orthogonal matrices, and Hermitian, skew-Hermitian, unitary matrices. Right. So let's see the definitions of symmetric, skew-symmetric, and orthogonal matrices. That A is equals to Aij is said to be real matrix if every element of A is real. Here the definition of real matrix. If all the elements of a matrix are real numbers, then it is real matrix, right? So this is it. That A equals to Aij is said to be real matrix if every element of A is real. A real square matrix A equals to Aij is said to be symmetric. So when it is symmetric, if A transpose is equals to A, then it is symmetric. So symmetric matrix means A transpose equals to A. And matrix should be square matrix. Next is skew symmetric. For skew symmetric, A transpose equals to minus A. A transpose equals to minus A. Then the matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Orthogonal. When we say the matrix is orthogonal, if A transpose is equals to A inverse or A transpose A equals to I. I means identity matrix. So symmetric, A transpose equals to A. For skew symmetric, A transpose equals to minus A. Orthogonal, A transpose equals to A inverse, or simply use this condition. A transpose A equals to I. This is convenient for to check orthogonal matrix, whether the matrix is orthogonal or not. Note, if A is orthogonal matrix, then determinant of A equals to plus or minus 1. Important picture. If A is orthogonal matrix, then determinant of A equals to plus or minus 1. Now we see some examples on symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal. So example 1. Examine the following matrices for symmetric or not. So first matrix is A equals to 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 7. B equals to only this matrix. A equals to 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 7. So clearly, what is A transpose? A transpose is, so this is our row matrix. Write it as column 1, 2, minus 3. Okay. Next, second row 2, 5, minus 1. What is the second column? 2, 5, minus 1. Third row minus 3, minus 1, 7. What is the third column? Minus 3, minus 1, 7. That means what about this matrix? This matrix is symmetric matrix. But coming to matrix B, what is the first row? 1, 2, minus 3. What is the first column? 1, minus 5, minus 3. So therefore, this is not a symmetric matrix. In first example, in matrix A, first row as first column, second row as second column, third row as third column. So it is symmetric. In matrix B, first row is 1, 2, minus 3, but first column is 1, minus 5, minus 3. So this is not a symmetric. Now example 2. Examine the following matrices are skew symmetric or not. A equal to, first row is 1, 4, 0. Second row minus 4, 6, minus 2. Third row 0, 2, minus 3. 1 4. First row is 1 4 0. First column is 1 minus 4 0. So minus having is there. This is just check it. A transpose. We will get A transpose equals to minus A. So this matrix is symmetric matrix. And similarly, this also. But B is not symmetric matrix. Now example 3. Examine the matrix A equals to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Next second row 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Third row is minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Is orthogonal or not? So this is our given matrix. And next to calculate A transpose and find out the product of A transpose and U. So that will be identity matrix. So this matrix is orthogonal. Nothing is there, only matrix product or matrix multiplication. Just calculate A transpose A. If that is equals to what, then it is orthogonal. So in this case, A transpose A equals to I. Therefore, the given matrix is orthogonal matrix. This symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal matrices are real matrices. Now we see complex matrices. First, complex. Let's see the definition of complex matrix. So a matrix A equals to Aij is said to be a complex matrix if there exists at least one element Aij of A is complex. Or simply, if at least one element of A is complex number, then it is complex matrix. If it is complex number, we can find conjugate also, right? Complex conjugate. Let A equals to Aij be a complex matrix. The complex conjugate of A is denoted by A bar and is obtained by replacing each Aij of A by its complex conjugate. So how to write complex conjugate? Suppose in the matrix the element is 2 plus 3a. You write conjugate of 2 plus 3a. What is the conjugate of 2 plus 3? 2 minus 3a. Like that you have to write all elements. Hermitian. Now we see Hermitian, skew Hermitian, and unitary matrices. So these are all complex matrices. A complex square matrix A is said to be Hermitian if A power theta is equals to A, where theta denotes transpose conjugate. So here theta is A power theta means A transpose whole bar or A bar whole transpose. You have to apply theta denotes transpose conjugate. You have to apply transpose and conjugate or conjugate and transpose. So Hermitian, when we say the matrix is Hermitian, if A power theta equals to A. Coming to skew Hermitian. If A power theta equals to minus A, then the matrix is skew Hermitian. Unitary. If A power theta A equals to A power theta into A equals to A into A power theta is equals to identity matrix. Then it is unitary matrix. Okay. Here, now point is theta. What is theta? Theta is transpose conjugate or conjugate transpose. example 1. A equal to 1 I minus I plus 2 minus I 2 2 plus 3 I plus 2 2 minus 3 3 is Hermitian. Hermitian means what you have to do? A power theta is equals to A. What is A power theta? A power theta is A transpose whole bar. Okay. For that, first I am calculating A transpose. So what is the first row? First row is 1 I minus I plus 2. For A transpose, how to write? First row as first column. So 1 I minus I plus 2. What is the second row? Matrix is minus I 2 plus 3. This you write it as column minus I 2 plus 3. Third row is I plus 2 minus 3 3. This you write it as third column I plus 2 minus 3 3. Now we calculated A transpose. Just find out conjugates. So A power theta is equals to A transpose whole bar. Okay. So A transpose is there. For this matrix, just calculate conjugates. Right? Conjugate elements of A transpose. So conjugate of 1. What is the conjugate of 1? 1 only. Conjugate of real number is real number only. Conjugate of minus I plus I. Conjugate of I plus 2 minus I plus 2. Conjugate of I minus I. Conjugate of 2 is 2. Conjugate of 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i. Conjugate of 2 minus I, 2 plus I. Conjugate of 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i. So what is this matrix? This matrix is nothing but so A power theta is equals to A. So therefore, the given matrix is Hermitian. Now example 2, A equal to minus I, 1 plus 2i, 3i, minus 1 plus 2i, 0, 4 plus I, 3i, minus 4 plus I, 2i is skew Hermitian. So same thing, calculate A transpose. What is A transpose? First row as first column minus I, 1 plus 2i, 3i. Second row as second column minus 1 plus 2i, 0, 4 plus I. Third row as third column. Right? Now conjugate of A transpose, that equals to conjugate of minus I, conjugate of minus 1 plus 2i, minus 1 minus 2i, conjugate of 3i is minus 3i, conjugate of 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i, conjugate of 0, 0, conjugate of minus 4 plus I, minus 4 minus I, conjugate of 3i, minus 3i, conjugate of 4 plus I, 4 minus I, conjugate of 2i is minus 2. So this is equals to minus 3. So therefore A is skew Hermitian matrix. A is equals to I 0 0 0 0 I 0 I 0. Then show that A is unitary and also skew Hermitian. A transpose I 0 first row is I 0 0. Write it as first column I 0 0. Second row matrix is 0 0 I. Write this as column matrix 0 0 0. Take this as column 0 0 I. Third row as third column 0 I 0. So 0 I and calculate and find out conjugate. A transpose whole bar means A power theta. That is conjugate transpose of a matrix. Conjugate of I minus I 0 0. Conjugate of 0 0 0 then 0 minus I 0 minus I is equals to minus. Thus A is skew Hermitian matrix. For unitary, what we have to check? A power theta into A or A into A power theta. So consider a into a power theta. So this is our matrix A and a power theta. So multiplication of these two matrices, that gives I. Similarly, you calculate a power theta into B. That also gives I. Therefore, the given matrix is unitary. For unitary, you have to check a into a power theta is equals to I and a power theta into a equals to not R. A into a power theta equals to I and a power theta into a equals to I. Then only the